Hey guys, welcome. This is Giri Samrat here. In this video, I want to show you a software that I use personally to make my life easy and save a lot of time and get more ideas and more profitable keywords on advertising on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and all the platforms. Right? So, say suppose first let me show you the manual way that we do it. Okay, so I'll show you the manual process, then I'll show you how the software works, so you'll be able to understand the difference. No, then you can make out what's the use of that. Okay, so first of all, say suppose we want to run ads. Say suppose I'm running a lead generation ad. Then what I do is I go to ad sets, then I select the targeting. Right, so here we come here, then we select the audience. Right, so especially under detailed targeting. So here what we do is we put in, say suppose I want to show ads to people who are interested in digital marketing. Right, so if you see, I just type digital and it's showing activities. That's behavior. Right, so it's behavior. You see here it shows behavior. Now I want, if I have to type digital marketing. Right, when I type, then it's showing interest, and also it's showing other behaviors. You see here it's written behavior. So now I select this one keyword. Now it got added into the detail targeting. So these are the keywords that we want to show ads to. Now if I click on suggestion, it shows other keywords. Right, now I have to select one by one. I cannot select multiple. Right, one like this. I have to keep adding one by one. So if I don't get suggestions that I want, again I have to put in the keywords. So this is how we normally add keywords. The other way we do is browse. We go to the demographics, then we go to education. In under education we do this, at school and all of this. Right, then field of study. If you want field of study, then we have to search. So this is how we do it under browse. Under demographics, the same way interest and same way the behavior. So this is how we do manually. Right, if you want to show ads to people who have anniversary within 61 to 90 days, so then we can select this. Now that will get added here. This is how normally we do it. Now the software that I'm going to show you, it it makes your life so easy and it gives you more keywords. It basically comes from API. So API is, the Facebook gives their data to API developers, people who want to pull the data to their website or the softwares. They give that data themselves. The Facebook provides. The When I say Facebook, always remember Facebook is Instagram, Messenger, any Facebook that's products they have in future, it's all included that. I'm not just talking about Facebook platform. It includes Instagram, Messenger, audience network, everything that Facebook owns. So this is how we do it. Right, now, and if say you want to add some employers, somebody who works in Citibank for example, then you have to search for Citibank, then you have to find for employers. Right, you have employer, and we don't want see interest, we want people who work there, so who have listed themselves as employers. If Citibank is their employer, so then we get all these options. Then we have to add one by one. So this is how we do it in manual process. Now I'll show you the software and the benefit of it. Now, so here they have multiple things. You don't have to worry about all this. You see this Wikipedia, movies, books, all of this. This is an additional extension they have given where you can get more keyword ideas. Since we are advertising on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, so we'll stick to this FB interest. Now here you see everything. Interest is there, schools is there, majors that we saw that. Majors means the qualification basis, job titles, managing director, CEO, director, self-employed, business owner, like that, and then employers. Right, I'll show you once again here. Right, if you come here, it shows, right, interest, employers, so all of this. So this everything is here. You can directly select what you want. So normally we use interest, we use job titles, we use employers, majorly job titles and majorly interest. And if you want to focus on some qualification, this and this you can use. Now here you just select, for example, interest, and I'll put in keyword digital marketing, and you can put 2 to 3 whatever you want. Social media marketing, social media marketing. Now I'll I'll just click on search interest. Now this many keywords it suggested, so it also shows how many audience size is there. Like we don't want to show to people who have only 417, so anywhere between 63 lakhs 99, this is all good. So we'll select all of this one by one, or you can select one by one like this. Okay, or you can click on checks and you can select checks for all rows. It checks everything. So I don't want this one, so I'll again click that. That goes away. Right now, on basis of this, I can generate more keywords that is already there on Facebook advertising platform. So I have to click on get suggestions. Now you see we have input 2 keywords here for the search. It provided us 7 keywords. Now we are going to click get suggestions. It will give more suggestions. Now if you see, it gave us 44 keywords, 44 items. So if you have to just go through that. And now, for example, some keywords may be not relevant to your this. Like for example, this is like, let me first, I'll unselect everything. So here what I'll do is, first of all, whichever I don't need, for example, I don't need paneer, electric vehicle, that is not, this is coming from Facebook API. This is not something no, this software is giving. This data is provided by Facebook, and this is the keyword, if you can see here, and audience sizes, and this is interest. So we don't want this. Desktop computers, for example, condominium, then bazaar we don't need, design LED we don't need, uh, lighting we don't need. So what I'll do is I I can just delete them. I'll first, I've already selected, and select checks, just a second, select checks for related rows, and just need to click right this thing now. So once you click this, you can delete selected rows. So we don't want those keywords, we'll delete them. Now that way you can delete everything here, is in case whatever you don't want. I'm just showing you how beautiful this software, like without it's in fraction of seconds, minutes, you can get as many keywords as you want. So right now this all looks good. In case if you don't want, you have to take your own time to analyze and then do it. If you want more keywords ideas, again you can select this and select all rows. Now we are feeding 35 keywords, and again you click on get suggestion. That will bring you more hundreds of keywords. Let's wait. So this is all data available on Facebook platform for Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, audience network, everything you see here. So we got 323 keywords. Now it doesn't mean that everything is relevant. You have to, of course, go through them, and you have to make sure you, whichever you don't want, you delete them. So what I'll do is unselect everything. Now if I say, suppose there's something that I don't need, I can select them, and I can, the way I showed you, you can delete that. You have to just click right click and then delete rows selected. Say suppose I want all of these keywords. Now I want to enter, right? So all I have to do is click copy selected keywords to clipboard, selected targets to clipboard, or copy all targets to clipboard. What you can do whatever you want. Oh sorry, I forgot the check marks. You have to first select and select check all rows, and then you select this. Now it's selected to the clipboard. Now I'll go to the Facebook here, and I'll show you how easy and out. We got 300 keywords. If I had to do this manually, it would have been hectic, takes a lot of time, efforts. So this software is optional, guys. This is not like you have to invest, but I'm just telling you the advantages. Now all I have to do is whatever I copied, so I have to just paste it here. You see, all the keywords we copied, it's already here. So the same keywords, everything is here. All the 323 keywords is here. See, that easy it is. See, everything we wanted, we copied from here, it's already there. Now you want to exclude something, you exclude, or else you continue, and you can save this audience, right? It makes your life that easy. So this is one use of it. Now I'll clear this. I'll show you something else. For example, I'll show you the employers. Here, say suppose I want to show ads to people who work on corporates like Citibank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank. Then I click on search. It says search interest, but whatever you have selected here, that's what comes here. Okay, we have selected search type as employers, so it comes here. Now again, you select all this, select checks for all, then click get suggestions. It will give you more. Now if you see here, we got 100 banks names, and audience size, and the seed keywords. So seed keywords means on basis of this keyword has come out, right? So it's almost related to all like banks or something like that. Now if you look at this, there is one keyword I just saw, which is I think useless. What's that? I saw something. So you have to just you know skip through it, whatever you feel. It's like, for example, journeys. So it could be anything. It could be a bank, it could be a corporate company, it could be something else. So we don't know what it is. So if you want, you can just Google it, or else you can just remove it. Okay, just delete this one. Okay, see, we have entered only banks. Still we got Infosys, Wipro, ABN AMRO. This data is coming from marketing API. That's Facebook marketing API, right? Debit card cashback. So this is again not keyword that I would like to advertise for. Savings account. See, this also, like, this is not what I want to advertise for, because that is not an employer, right? Debit card also is not that. So you have to delete whatever you don't want. Now the same way, you say suppose once you're done finalizing the keyword, select all rows, then you copy, and then you can paste. Okay, let me show you that as well once, since we already done. So here I come, then here again I paste, and I enter. So then you see all this is come here now automatically, everything, the previous keywords, the new keywords that we pasted. So that way this software makes your life easy, and it saves a lot of time, and it gives you a lot of more keywords which is there in the API. So some keywords may not show up here, when we are doing it manually, but here when we use the software, it pulls the data from marketing API, and it shows all the data here in one screen. That's the beauty of this. So another important feature that I love in this software is called, let me first clear all this, is, just a second. So this called category, which I love the thing. So in this, when you select the categories, so it shows everything that you need. Okay, so it says, you see here, browse category targets. So what you have to just click load categories. So which is, again, this is really difficult to find inside Facebook. So you can see under family status, parents with 12 months old baby, this many people are there. This is the size of the audience. All parents, this is the size of the audience, and like this. You see, so you want 1 to 2, 13 to 17 age group, so you can select all of this if you want. And you can say the same process, you just copy to the clipboard, right? So you do this, then you click on copy. Sorry, we have to select here first, checks, then select all rows, then you can copy. Now it's copied, you go here again, same process, you paste it in the detail targeting and just enter, right? So this is the one thing, you can see all the categories here, and you can also see the income through zip code wise, then industry wise, right? So under industry wise you can see everything in one this thing, guys. I mean, that's the beauty of this thing. Let me, you can also like do this, you can increase the size of this. Yeah, so here you can see under one, let me close the income. So under industry, this many industries are there, administrative industries. So you want to show ads to people who are in administrative services, architecture, engineering, business and finances. So all of this is possible. Again under that, you they have separate categories. Under arts you can do all this, under farming you can do this, fishing and this and stuff, IT and technical services. If you want to show ads to these people, physical and social sciences, military, you can select that. And also the interest, in terms of category wise, under interest you have business industry, and you are under business industry again you can select advertising, agricultural, all of that. Again under banking you can select all these subcategories. You see, this is not visible here. Like, let me show you here. If you want to go here like this is what I'm talking about. You can't find all of this. You see, it's so difficult, you have no idea where it is. So in this software it automatically shows everything, all the categories and the keywords and what is the audience size, everything visible here. Like people who are interested in web designing, right? Here in the online main category, and under that web hosting, web design, this many people are there. So if you want to show ads to web designing companies or web designing interested keywords, you can select this, or online advertising. Now then you go to personal finances, then entertainment, right? Under entertainment again they have subcategories, games. Under games, which games you want to show ads to, you see your action games, card games, all of that. Then live events, right? Then movies. I mean, guys, if people interested in anime movies, animated movies, documentary movies, so you can, horror movies, so if they are your target audience you can show them ads. If they are interested in particular music, jazz music, stuff like that. So it's so deep. I mean, everything that which you can't see here, you can do that, but it takes a lot of time. You have to go and manually check each and everything. Under demographics, go to education, then education level, then like this you have to go and select. But here all of this is visible in one go. I mean, it's so easy, and you have to do just select that and say suppose, then like let me close all this. Like I've just showed you the examples. I'll, I'll again click the node. Okay, so if you go to life events, right? If the birthdays, you see here, upcoming birthdays, people whose birthday is coming, you see this. Say suppose we are in May now, so you want to show people's birthdays whose birthdays are in May, then June. So if you are running some offers for birthdays, like if your client or yourself is a restaurant owner or something like that, so you can show ads to these people whose birthday is coming in every month from Jan to December. They have all the data, right? So that's the beauty of this software. But you can find this here as well, but it's like, as I said, you have to, to take a guesswork. Where is it? You don't know where is it. You have to go here, then you have to look for birthdays. Under birthdays you have to find that. So anniversaries, you see, this way, the same way you have to find where is the birthday and then you have to select. But here it's already showing everything. Say suppose you want to show ads to all of these people, you select just like this, it will add it here. Then you check this, select all rows, then you copy and then you go and paste it in your ads manager where you are doing. Now this is friends of men with birthday, right? So may normally friends give them gifts and they take them to the restaurants and all of that. For that purpose, this is also useful. You can show ads to friends of people who have birthdays. Then what else? User devices. Say suppose um, you want to show ads to only Android device users or iOS device users or Windows users, so you can do that. Again, under iOS you can see you want to show ads to iPad users, or you want to show to iPhone users, iPhone 12, iPhone Pro Max, iPhone 5 6. These many people are there. Like for example, iPhone 10, there are 69, I think 6 crores 90 lakhs people are there who use iPhone X or iPhone 10, whatever you call that. Then iPod users, so you can show ads to these people only. So this kind of targeting becomes easy with this software. Now this software, I think they have around $97. It's a one-time payment. There's nothing monthly you have to pay or yearly you have to pay. It's a one-time payment, and through my reference link you will get it for I think $67 one-time fees. The normal price is 97 something. So if you use my referral link, you will get it for $67. You get some discounts. So that's the beauty of this software. Okay, so I mean, you don't have to worry. It's so easily you can target for, it's for all of your clients. Now whatever the softwares we recommend, we don't guarantee that that softwares will be there for lifetime. I know some software companies may shut down, or some softwares may not upgrade or update, but this company have been using it, so they're active and they are updating whenever we need any support. The software guy is always updating the new versions. So that's a thing. That being said, you have to understand that even if you invest $97 or $67, whatever, the beauty of this is, even if you use, say suppose the software company shutdowns after 6 months or 1 month or 1 year or 2 years or 10 years down the line, you have made more money in this. So don't cry that in case if the company shutdowns, if the software stop working, don't cry about it. If you are that kind of person, don't buy the software, because when you want to do business, these things happens, right? I purchased one of the software few years back. That company gave me service for almost what, one year, 1.5 years, and then that company shut down. But I made a lot of money in that 1.5 year time period, right? Even if you use this software for one client, it's just what, $97, $67 if you use my referral link, and you get a lot of clients. You make a lot of money. You make more than you invested. So you can give great results for your clients, and your clients will be happy, and they'll pay you every month. So look at the big picture. So you have to be mature person. You have to understand that some softwares, some companies may go down, out of business, or they may not continue the same business. But you should not worry about that. What you need to think is, say suppose you're investing $67 or $97 today. Even if you use this software for yourself, for your clients, 1 2 clients, and you make you know returns on that, that's more than enough. So after that, till that company shutdowns or that software stops working, you are making money. Okay, I'm not saying it will happen today or tomorrow. I don't know, because I don't know the what happens in their businesses, because I'm sharing this from my past experience. One of the softwares I bought, very expensive software, this is very $97 only, but I had purchased around $1,500 software. That company, as I said, around 14 months they were there and they gone. But in 14 months I made more than $140,000, right? So that's the way you have to look at it. So this is an online business, so it all happens. You should be prepared for that. But if you look at the benefit of the software, as I said, it saves a lot of your time. It gives you all the categories available on Facebook, and you can easily do the targeting for any clients, whether manufacturer, trader, retailers, or anything, any business, whether it's a local businesses, doctors, um, gyms, anything. I mean, people whoever whatever interested in, you can do ads for them, right? As I shared, you go interest, and then you do this, like for example, health and fitness. I don't want to again go here, but I'm just saying. So there was no keyword came up because health and fitness, nobody. There's a spelling mistake. Health, what's happening? Health, fitness, bodybuilding, right? So then I search, you see, health magazine, World Health Organization, health clubs, healthcare provider, women's health, so many keywords. You see here 533 keywords came up. I just entered three keywords, and if I'm running ads for a gym or somebody who wants to lose weight or something like that, or dietitian, right, I can easily get clients using this targeting. See this 533 keywords. Of course, every keyword won't be your useful keyword. You have to remove whichever is irrelevant for you and for your clients. So if you're using it for your own business or your client's business, so make sure you use the relevant keywords. This company, this software has their own training. You can go through the training, whatever I showed you here. Apart from that, you get to use a lot of other things. So this is the use of this software, guys. And this $67 or $97, whatever you get, when you click on my referral link below this video or above this video, I'll give you the link. Click that link and go and check out the price. If they have some discount rates, offers going on, you may get at lesser rates as well. I'm not saying you will get it for $67 or $97. It may be higher or lower, but whenever you visit that link, whatever the offers going on in that company, they give you. It's not that they charge you extra. So whatever the price they're offering at that point of time, you get the same deal. And I forgot to mention that this software comes with 30 days money back guarantee. So you can use this software. You have to pay that $67 or $97, whatever the offer price that you see when you visit the link, and you can use it for 30 days for the free of cost. I mean, free means you have to pay the payment, but if you don't like the software, if you think it's not worth, or if you think it's not that useful, then you can take the refund. So you get to use the software for 30 days for free of cost. So I would recommend, if you can afford $67, that's around roughly 5,300, depending on the Indian currencies. So sometimes including all your credit cards, charges, international transaction charges, it comes around $1 comes around 78 79 rupees. So on depending on that, it will cost you in India for around 5,300 rupees. For other countries, it's around $67 or $97. As I said, when you visit the link which is below this video or above this video, I'll give you the link. You just visit that and see what offer is going on, and you can grab that. So as I said, you have 30 days money back guarantee. Use the software for 30 days, and if you don't like it, take the refund from the company. We don't give you refund. It's not our product, this is another company's product. We are just recommending to make your life easy. Then, as I said, we don't uh, own the software. We don't work on their behalf. It's just we are giving you referrals. Since we are using this software, we are recommending you to use it. If you want, you like, once you start making money, you want to use it, that you can do it. If you want to use in the beginning, you can do that, but this investment is purely optional. It's not mandatory. I just showed you the manual work that you can do, and also this using this software, semi-automatic software, where you also need to put the efforts, manual efforts, but I showed you the difference, right? So that's the thing. Just to recap, it's a targeting software where you get to all the interest and job titles and related targeting, and hundreds of keywords that comes from marketing API of Facebook. right? You can use this targeting on Facebook, Instagram messengers, all Facebook products. And this cost is somewhere anywhere between 67 to $97. So, and you also get 30 days money back guarantee. So there is a 30 days refund policy. You can use it, and if you like it, you can continue, otherwise you can take refund, right? So that's it. See you in the next video.